Hello, everybody. Welcome to Ham Shack TV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Doing something a little different today. My wife and I had got this play contraption for our daughters and sons for Christmas this year. Finally getting some warm weather on a weekend and don't really have much to do, so we're going to put it together. Stick around. Alright, so I realized I wasn't recording there for a while. So we've almost got the first bottom layer done. I'm going to warn you, if you buy this thing for your grandchild or child, just be ready. You've got to be pretty specific with the angles. And it's very difficult for the bottom layer. Alright, so we've made pretty good progress. Sun's getting lower on the horizon. We've got more stuff to do. However, I'm going to need a third person and able to make this thing to get enough leverage to where we can make the connections work. So we'll do another part of this probably tomorrow. So stick around. Make sure you've liked and subscribed to this video already. And we'll have part 2 for you coming up. 73's AA4WX, WSEB 693.